Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to show you how can you create or set up your first party domain or custom domain in the Taggers platform. If you knew, you do not what about the Taggers. So Taggers is the same like as step.io. We know that step.io are providing the server side tracking platform, and as well as you can easily create your first party domain or custom domain in Taggers. So most of my subscribers and personally mail to me, they want to know about Taggers and they want to also know how to use Taggers. So for their recommendations, I am creating the tutorial about Taggers. So no more delay, let's get started. So you already see that I am landing on the Taggers. You go to taggers.io, and you can also the link on my YouTube description. From here you can go to the Taggers, start for free, and you can also fill up the form for registration. Also you can go with the Google. I am already registered it, and you can see that I am also created container and that will be the activated. So for you, I am again creating the new container. So after the registration process, you can find out this kind of interface. So add container, and here I have to providing the company name. So I'm just giving my name here. You can also providing your business name to understand actually for which business you have creating this container, and website, that is my demo website. I am put on it, and location you have to providing your business locations where your business are running. So I'm just giving the name. After completing the putting all information, I go to continue, and then you can see that container configuration. So you have to provide the GTM container code. Now question is which container code you have to provide. You know that we are using the taggers for server side tracking. So we go to our GTM container, that is the server container, and click on the GTM code, and you have to find out the use container code, copy the code back to Taggers. You have to paste the code on it, and in the second option you can see that choose subdomain. So you can also choose this domain, and also you can change the your subdomain. So I'm change the SGTM instead of SST, and you can just click the create container, and you can see that our container is created, but you also see the message everything because it takes some time to activate it. And also you can see that they are providing the DNS record and name, TTL type and record. So you have to adding this DNS record on your hosting provider. After putting the DNS record on your hosting provider, then that will be the activated. So I am go to my cPanel, and in the cPanel tools, search tools section, you just type the zone editor, and you have to find out your all domain in your cPanel. So I am go to the manage in my targeted domain, and here you have a option to add record. So I am click on it, add record, and one by one I have to put the all DNS record value, type, TTL, and also the name. So I'm go to my Taggers platform. Firstly, copy the name from it back to cPanel, paste on it, and now second one TTL. TTL will be the 300. So I am putting on it, and also the type A, and copy the record. After adding the all value, you have to click on the save record. I'm clicking on it, save record, and you can see that you successfully saved the following a record for your domain. So it will take some time to activate your first party domain or custom domain. So I am just go to the settings. Here you can see that I'm already find out my subdomain, and then what is my work to activate the server side tracking? That is, I am go to my server container and admin. You know that how can you create the Facebook conversion API, Twitter, Pinterest. So if you new on that, you can check out my channel. You can find out how can you create the Facebook conversion API, Google Ads conversion API, and all the social media. So I escape this process. So now I'm go to the container settings, and I have to paste my custom domain on it. That is the first step. And second step, you can go to the your browser container, tags, and also you go to your Google tag. You can also adding the parameter that is server container URL, and you have to paste on it and save it. That is the work. So our work is done. That is takes some times to activate it, the container. So I'm back to dashboard. I'm working with my previous container which I created. So that is, you can see that activated. So I'm click on it and you can see that that is active. You can see that taggers are providing the analyze option, or you can say the tools that are showing you all requests and how many requests you have to receive on your website. They are showing the analytical report and type of request. You have to find out your report by taggers. So I am now optimize my first party domain and custom domain finally. So go to optimize. You can see that enhance tracking script, because we have to implement this tracking script on our website. We are now only create the first party domain, but we have to create the script on our website. So that click on it. Here you can see that unlock your code, and you have to add in your GTM container code, and you have to concern about it. You must be put your web container ID on. So I am go to my web container. You can see that that is my web container and that is my web container ID. So I am copy the ID from here, copy it and back to our taggers and paste on it. And when I putting my GTM ID, you can see that our web container ID are automatically adjust with the head. What is the head code? Head code is a script code. This code you have to implement on your website. You can use this code in all CMS, Shopify, WordPress, Magento, all of website and raw code. You can also put in the code on your website head section and as well as the body section. So after completing the all process, you can find out this code. You have to put in your head section. You can copy the code and go to your website and appearance and theme file editor and go to header.php, and in the head section you have to put in this code, and the body section you can also put this code, and your first party domain and custom domain are activated perfectly with your website and as well as Google Tag Manager. So finally, we are successfully create or set up first party domain and custom domain for the taggers platform. And how can you activate on your website? You can see all of that. I hope this video is helpful for you, and I will see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.